Here we go. What's up, everybody? Appreciate you all for joining the channel. Hussein Ray's Trader, HRT here. All right, I'm here for what? I'm here to look at the pre-market, mark my levels, supply and demand, identified by the wicks on the 10-minute, as well as verifying it with the 30 minutes. Once the market opens, I execute based on how the price is reacting to those levels that I had marked. Looking between the 10-minute and the 5 minutes. So here we go. What you're looking at right now is Tesla. So tradition for me is to start with SPY. I don't want to break that pattern. It's just something that I decided to, ingrain in my head. That's fine. All right, cool. So let us start with SPY real quick. SPY had a sudden reaction, as you can see at this level here. Not sure what the heck happened there. Let's go ahead and mark it up. All right, we marked it. As you guys can also see this wick right here. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that, because look what happened here. Look at this. It's a nice wick right here. It's also supported as well too. So let's go ahead and mark that as well. Perfect. All right, here we go. What else we got to mark here? We also got this level right here, so let's go ahead and mark it. Right now, we're just simply relaxing and just marking the supply and demand. That's it. That's it. All right, so we can also mark here. As you guys can see, it's also supported by here and as well as here. Let's go ahead and do that. And as well as, let me show it to you real quick. So this is essentially a zone, really, right? This is the demand zone, essentially, right? When you have like this kind of a gap, the second time price came back, but this time it bounced off of here. So that tells you this range and up to this range is a zone. All right, very well then. We're not seeing much other wicks after that. So then what we do is we're gonna go to the 30 minutes just to verify these levels. Okay, here we go. So this is what the 30 minute looks like with those levels, right? Okay, all right. This is an important one too, right here. Look at this. It's an interesting one. I want to make sure we're not missing anything. This also looks good. This level also looks good, not gonna lie. All right, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. Let's see how that one looks like in the 10 minutes. And then just to see if we really need that, because there seems to be some support there. You know what I mean? All right, here we go. So this is that level right here, as you guys can see. All right, we'll just keep this one on. That's fine. So now the next thing you want to do is do a quick bird's eye view. Look at SPY where it was yesterday, just to kind of gauge. Okay, wow. All right. Yesterday's SPY was all right, and then just kind of turned around and then bounced back up, and now it's above yesterday's pricing. That's all right. That's all right. All right, so let's go ahead and mark this high here. It's an important level here. It's the high that it went yesterday, so we're gonna keep eye on the zone. We're gonna keep eye on this zone right here. The next zone will be right here, basically. You got two zones. You got one zone here, the other zone right here. We have a nice, beautiful bounce off here, and we also got this level too. But I think that's fine. We don't want to, complicate things. The next thing you want to do right now, as you can see, SPY essentially ran away from this area. So you need to now go to where SPY is at currently and find out, how price have been acting around this level where it's currently at, right? So look at it. SPY is right here, right? So you want to look at the reference for here. How was the price here, right? So let's go ahead and do that. We already got some marking going on. Look at that. All right, so we can extend this one and extend this one. All right, let's do that real quick. Let's go ahead and extend this one. All right. I see you got 3 joining. Say something in the comment, bruh. All right. What's up, everybody? Good morning. All right, here we go. Right now, what I'm doing is, as you guys can see, I'm just simply marking my mapping real quick. And then after that, we're going to execute our plan once the market opens. So this part is not the fun part, of course, but this part is a crucial part. Very crucial. It's like, would you go on a vacation without knowing, what you're going to be doing? Type. All right, so I went ahead and marked right here. By the way, the price is approaching that level. Oh, can't see it now, but it's approaching that marking that I just did right here. So we're gonna see how that reacts. We're also gonna have to mark right here, guys. Look at this. Look at this channel that I did. So we're gonna go ahead and extend this line as well. So we know it's also important. It's also very important. Boom, I went ahead and extended this line. We also extended this one. So this is a range right here. Once SPY comes into this range, we should expect this kind. We should expect this. That's assuming it actually breaks it. You know what I mean? Right now, it's above it. It was within this channel. So we will see what happens. We will see what happens. That's it. That's it. That's it. All right. So let's do additional more charting just to be ahead of the game. Always be, a few steps ahead here. So, all right, here we go. Let's go ahead and mark this one too. This one, I wonder why I marked this one. For sure, this one I'm gonna mark, especially these channels. Let me just get rid of it. Let me just see something here real quick before I just call it. So this looks kind of important. It's a nice, beautiful bounce up. You also rejected it. So I'm just gonna extend this one out too. We have a lot of extension today going on. All right, we extended that one. What else? I doubt that's gonna hit here. I'm gonna mark this red to really indicate that it could be a potential reversal. Just because of this wick right here, right? As soon as we went below it, look what happened. He also had another wick on the downside. So we also got this one here he needs to do. We also got this one here that is a zone essentially here. Let's go ahead and extend this one out. And I think that's all we need to do. After that, we're ready. We're ready to execute. We are ready to execute after that. All right, here we go. These are the levels right now for SPY that we should keep an eye on. So now let's go ahead and step back and go to Tesla and do the same charting for Tesla. Okay, Tesla's also having a nice bounce off from previous price from yesterday. That's very nice. Right, here we go. Here we go. So let's do the pure market real quick. Pre-market. So let's go ahead and mark right here. Okay. And then we're going to also mark right here. It's a really nice spot. Very well. And then okay. Here we go here. It's a good one. It's a good one. And this is also the low of today. So we're going to also mark that, of course. All right, very well. And then we're going to mark the high that we reversed, essentially. Okay, very well. We are all set. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 30 minutes just to see what it looks like. All right. This makes sense. Yep. This makes sense too as well. Look at that. 1, 2. So this is a really good spot. And right here, we only got 2 supports, 3. So it's not that bad, actually. It's also good marking. So our marking on the 30-minute indicates that we did very well on the 10-minute. That's one of the reasons I like to start with the 10-minute first. So I can see what the, inside the city is like before I go on the helicopter, so I can see the, landmarks. You know what I mean? So I have a better understanding of the landmark when I'm in the helicopter, with my jet. Or in my jet, I should say, if I get a helicopter. All right. All right, here we go. I'll go ahead and mark over here because yesterday price came here and had a little reversal and just to come right back up shortly after that reversal. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark here as well too. I'm now marking yesterday's level reactions. They're very crucial, of course. And then you also got, this level here too. So let's go ahead and do that. Activate this bad boy. Oh. Right there. Right there. I think we're all set. We are all set. We are all set here. I'm telling you, we're all set. We're all set. All right, we are all set. All right, cool. Let's go back to SPY here, because the SPY is doing numbers today. I ain't gonna lie. So this is SPY. We're gonna go ahead and just prepare. We have 10 minutes till the market opens. So let's sit back and relax and just prepare here. I'm gonna go ahead and have our split screen where we can see the 10-minute and and as well as the okay, I did click the right, and as well as the 5 minutes. So the 10-minute will be on top screen, all right, and then the 5 minutes will be on the bottom screen. Okay, here we go. Here we go. And I'll be watching Tesla on the side, on the other screen here that I'm looking at. And then as soon as we need to switch to Tesla, we're gonna bring it to the main screen right here. Having, both of the same screen just kind of too much. You don't want to do that. It's important to free your mind. All right, very well done. Which one looks good right now for the opening for a trade? What do you guys think? Which one? I think Tesla. All right, here we go. So now we just sit back, essentially. We just sit back, relax, and see how these levels react. I know just shortly above this level, there is something up there. Oh, I gotta make sure this is the 10-minute, my bad. All right, verify. This is 10-minute. This is 5-minute. What a beautiful run up here. If you go scroll all the way up, look right here, above it. Oh gosh, we can't see it when we zoom in. But right above it right now, there is this yellow line right here. There is this level that is approaching, right? As the price moves up, can we take a short? We could certainly take a short. If we do, we need to understand this. Ready for this? If we do take this short or put, a great sneeze. Okay, so the price is right here, right? It's right here right now. It's literally like right here. It's about to tap this this yellow line here. All right, so the price is right here. So that means the price is in this channel. That's what's going on right now. So it could bounce off to this one. It could come back here. You know what I mean? So what we're gonna do is in the opening, we're gonna go ahead and place a put here. Have a tight stop loss. Anything outside of that line, you know what I mean? We are out. Maybe we could have the tight stop loss up to here. Let me just extend that. Let me just make our stop loss like right here. The market's gonna open very soon. In the next 5 minutes, I would say. Never mind, 8 minutes. All right, here we go. All right. All right, set. So now we know our stop loss. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. If it moves up, we're gonna go ahead and place a put. Yes, I understand we're gonna be going against this bull run. But also understand that level, that's a major level. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna place a put in the opening for SPY. As for Tesla, since now we have a little time, we can do the same thing for Tesla and how we're gonna play Tesla. One of the things that we didn't do Tesla is if we were to go above here, where's our next spot, right? This is a good one right here. I'm not sure. Should probably extend this one. Go ahead and extend that one. I'm gonna go ahead and also extend this one. Okay. So there are 2 levels just above it for what's it called? For Tesla. So Tesla's not looking good in the opening. It appears to just wants to, continue this, this floor this ceiling that it found. It wants to kind of move downward. Right now, we're currently below the VWAP. We are holding this level right now. There's one level just shortly just above us. You know what I mean? And so just take a look at how strong that level is real quick. Okay, it was from a previous day, basically. It's not necessarily from today's price action in the pre-market. I believe is some previous day one that I extended it. Oh, yeah, it is pretty important. Let me just mark that color just so I know I know there's some level of, there's importance to it because of it was also a previous day low, some day low. You know, this date right here, Monday. So it is important. So I just want to just mark that level. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. See what's gonna happen with both of them here. Let us know. Sit back, relax. Just like that. Just like that. Alright. In the meantime, I'm gonna charge this phone here. Okay, this is SPY right here. Let's do that first. Let's watch SPY. Okay, for those who are right on the live in the chat, if you have any questions, this would be the opportunity right here. As we wait patiently here, let's the market open. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Market's gonna open in less than a minute here, right now. Okay, Tesla's not doing too well here in the opening. I'm seeing Tesla right now. Let's take a look at Tesla real quick. Tesla seems to want to reject this level here. As you guys can see here, Tesla wants to reject this level. I want to watch that. I want to watch Tesla. Just curious here. Let's have SPY here. Ooh, SPY is close to that level too, so they're both good. Oh my goodness, they're both really good to trade. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Market's gonna open very soon. Market's about to open very, very soon. I'm watching both of them. Let's have Tesla here, see if it's gonna break this down. This level is gonna bounce off or not. Actually, no. Let's watch SPY. I'm curious if SPY is gonna break that level instead. Market's now open, I repeat. Oops, why is it not clicking? All right, here we go. I'm gonna take a light put on SPY. It's very risky, of course. I do want to see a light put on SPY at that level. 1, 2. Took 2 light put on SPY just out of curiosity, see if it's really gonna pass that level right now. Just out of a curiosity. I think there's a glitch in my computer or something all of a sudden. Here we go. I decided to place 2 puts right here at this level for what's it called? For SPY. So let's see what happens here. Beautiful bounce off on Tesla, by the way, at that level we were talking about. See if SPY is gonna hold. See if SPY is gonna break on the downside. It's going to the view up right now. We have just 2 contracts on the put side for SPY. Let us keep eye on it. And this is what's happening for Tesla as we, watch SPY. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It rejected this level. Like, what? What is going on with Tesla right now? What? Wow, what a dump. What a disaster. What a disaster, sir. Oh my goodness, this is just falling knife right now. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, let's just keep eye on Tesla right now, guys. I'm gonna have SPY on the side so I can see if it's breaking that level or not. And as we dip further away, I'll show you guys SPY. But Tesla rejected here. Oh my goodness. RIP right here to these people, to those who took a call. For real. Wow, this is the low right now. This is the low. Right now, this is the low of the pre-market. So you could definitely buy a call here. But I still wouldn't though. Look at this. Why I don't know if I want to go against that. Oh my goodness. What? Despite this level of push down on Tesla, SPY is kind of holding its downtrend. Like, it's not down, like it's not flying too fast down as, what's it called? As Tesla is. So this is a level right now you could certainly buy right now for just one call. But I'd rather wait on Tesla, bro. Just wait on Tesla. See how this sauce up a little bit. But this is a major level right now. It's approaching. Okay. We're still on our 2 contracts for SPYs, you guys can see, as I'm watching Tesla. So maybe we should just watch SPY then, huh? Let's just do that. You should watch the stock you have your money in, basically. And I'll watch the other one on the side instead. All right, here we go. Wish it was oh, it bounced off at that level. Should have bought at that level, huh? I was not going to because I knew this push down was against me. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna watch Tesla, guys. I know I'm being wishy-washy here. I'm gonna just watch Tesla and watch SPY on the side. Let me just click something. I got an idea here. I think I can take a trade with Tesla. All right, and then I'm gonna have SPY right here. Don't worry, it's the last 2 minute switch ups here. But yeah, I wanted to take the put here when he got moved up. I really wanted to do that. Oh, I got the opportunity. All right, here we go. So let me just take a put this zone. I'm very tempted to take a put at this zone here. Just one light put. Ooh, it's kind of holding it though. Gotta wait. The 5 minutes still like straight red here. So I'm trying to take a put within this zone. I kind of missed it. I'm tempted to get in right now, but it's just too risky right now. Okay, so SPY is kind of moving up right now. Yeah, when he had that little bounce back up the second time, I wanted to place a put within this zone and maintain it. Maintain that put as long as it doesn't go above this zone. And yeah, that is cool. Oof, what a missed opportunity. But that's fine. That is fine. All right, let's keep eye on SPY now. Looks like he wants to kind of, move up. So I wish there was a better, quicker way to switch between the two. I'm sure there is actually. Just gotta find it. Okay, so we missed the opportunity for Tesla there. Could I still trade that one last level, that the bottom one? Sure, but at that point it's low too. Yeah, that's a sweet one, isn't it? All right, here we go. Now SPY has turned green, by the way, at this level. It's been holding it very well. I thought it's gonna be a nice dump, but nope. Looks like he wants to go above that, above our level. So if he does, we're gonna just call it, of course. We are just gonna call it if he actually goes up there. Yeah, we missed the opportunity for Tesla. We certainly did. All right, so here we go. So we got to make sure we respect our L here if it goes above that line. We had the 5 minute close like this. So it didn't even close red. You know what I mean? So it's likely gonna break above our, break above our stop loss. That's kind of we're trading that level here. So let's keep eye on it. Let's keep eye on it. Still struggling, of course. I'm tempted to add one more here, but super risky. Let me add one more. I went ahead and added one more contract. It's because there was just a level of struggle, even though it's still risky. Even though it's likely may pass it. But the fact that there's some level of struggle still trying to move up above it, I decided just to add one in just to kind of see it out. Right now we're in SPY, so we're just gonna focus on SPY. Tesla's sweet for sure. Tesla's really sweet right now. Right now we have a put on this level right here. Right here. That was crazy opening for Tesla, as you guys noticed. So here we go. What do you guys think is going to happen at this level with SPY? We know SPY has been bullish throughout the pre-market, as you guys can see. Do you think it's going to break this major level? That's the question. That's the question. Also consider the level of how much, Tesla went down. You know what I mean? So we have to ask ourselves all these factors. All right? Right now we have a red on the 5-minute here. And this is the 10-minute. We're showing red right now. It was originally green, and now it's switched to red. We had the first 5-minute ending like this. Tell me about this candle pattern here, right? What's up? Here we go. Here we go. We have no control what's about to happen. We just sit back, we relax. We allow our probability to do its thing. This is my setup. I'm simply trading that. That's it. That's it. All right. We have a beautiful push down here to the VWAP for SPY right now. We're up 11%. Nothing too special. I would love to see a push down to the below the VWAP. That would be dope. And then I could sell my first off, right? Could get my so this is a VWAP retest. I'm gonna go ahead and get one out at the VWAP retest. And we'll take the remaining, the next one will be right here at this level, if you were to get a dump here. Right now, as we're approaching the VWAP on the 5-minute, there's not much of a wick on the bottom. It could be possible that we move right below the VWAP. We crack it and go straight to here. You know what I mean? We're not seeing much of a wick so far. Right now, there appears to be a little wick. The bottom wicks are buyers. The top wicks are sellers. Here we go. Here we go. I took one out here at the VWAP retest. We're going to see if we get a push down here at the VWAP. Okay. Okay, we cracked the VWAP. Even on the 10-minute, we cracked the VWAP. Yeah, we cracked the VWAP, sir. We're going straight to this one right here. Going straight to this one right here. So let's see what happens here. We're going to be ready to sell our second one here very soon. Should we sell out second one right now? 24%, 25, 33%. Oh wait, 33 bucks. All right, here we go. Yeah, we really cracked it. I'm gonna go ahead and get one more out as we're approaching this one. So I've now sold here basically, even though I sold it just few above it. Here we go. Here we go. We have now just one contract. We're gonna see if we're gonna go below here. Let's take a look at Tesla while we wait for this one to do its thing. We could certainly now sell everything right now. Tesla right now looking good. TSLA. Tesla right now is holding this level, so I could take one light put at that level for Tesla. I'm very tempted to do that. The 5-minute close green, so it's kind of dicey to do that. Yeah, I figured it was dicey to do that. Yeah, I figured. I should have probably just waited until it goes to that level. I went ahead and sold right out of my Tesla. I went ahead and got in and it's got out for Tesla. I was trying to, short here. Because this 5-minute close green is probably not ideal to do that. That's why I immediately switched out. So instead, I'd rather be testing this VWAP retest. So if we get a push up to this zone right here, I'll go ahead and place a put then, but not here. So that was a mistake on my end. Battery low. So let's go ahead and do a quick switch up in the battery. Okay. Right now, as you guys can see, our attention is divided between SPY and Tesla. You need to be careful here. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. I mean, Tesla, I do want to take a trade on Tesla. I'm not gonna lie. I'm waiting for opportunity for Tesla, even though I'm in SPY. You know, right now it had a push down the 5 minutes. I can certainly get in right now, actually. Oh, it's a little too late. It's a little too late. I should have seen the rejection here, and as well as the open right here. So I did got in with just one. It's a little too far out to get in, but I'm gonna keep that one in place. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this. All right, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. We're gonna keep this one in. We gotta bounce off again. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Let's keep eye on Tesla on the main screen right now. Here we go. So right now we're essentially trading this put right here, this level. This level is what we're trading. We have a 5 minute that just closed green, so it's very scary because it could push up to this right here to the zone. That's probably what it wants to do. I knew it. I gotta be careful, guys. I'm gonna get out. I'm just gonna get out. I gotta be careful. I want to just wait. I know I'm a bit wishy-washy on this trade, but I just got a feeling that it wants to go to the zone, and that's what I wanted to trade. Yeah. Not good. Not good. Not the best method that of the way I'm trading right now. Because I could still just hold this here. And if it does pass it, just sell it. You know what I mean? Instead of doing this. You know what? I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna go back into Tesla and just like get out if he actually goes above that line. So I'm conflicted between taking a put here or taking a put here. Taking a put here is more higher probability than here. You know what I'm saying? We have a 5 minute that just closed green that I'm going against. You know, exactly. So I should have just followed my instinct. Told you, bro. Should have just followed my instinct. Now I'm gonna short. Goodness. Now I'm gonna short. What? This level right here is what I wanted to do. Oh my goodness. Talk about indecision. Guys. Right? So now I'm placing this zone right. I'm what's it called? I have two puts contract in the zone. What I wanted to do. You know? That's higher probability because now I'm supported by the VWAP and it's also a zone. You know what I mean? So now we're gonna keep this as long as we're below this zone right here. We're gonna maintain these two put, leave them alone. So indecision, this is what it does right now. But I respect my decision, though. I did understood what's going on, you know, and it's exactly what happened, what I expected that would happen. You know, I guess I was just antsy to get in on the trade. So now we're gonna just sit back, relax. We got in where we wanted to get in, and if we close above this, if he pushes outside of the zone, we're gonna take our L. We're gonna what? Take our L, and that's it. We're gonna respect that. Right now we're getting a beautiful wick of a struggle here with this level already. So we're gonna, our odds a bit kind of okay. But we do want to see some level of, you know, reds closing red. That's what we wanted to see instead. All right, here we go. Now the price got pushed down well below this level after testing the VWAP and as well as this zone if you wanted to trade. So price is really below there. All right, we still have our one contract with SPY. We're gonna just leave that one alone for break even, really. We could probably take that too. And we're gonna leave it alone. All right, here we go. Let us just focus on Tesla right now. We got two contracts in place. All right. Hopefully this, if this candle closes below this line, that'll be great. I think I can celebrate a little bit, but right now, still dicey. It can still move up above the zone. I repeat, you know, it can. Here we go. It got pushed down. This 5 minute went below up here to all the way here, and it got pushed all the way down. So here we go. And I like that this one, this 5 minute closed below this line. So that's a good sign at least. But the fact that it closed green, you know what I mean? Cannot celebrate just yet. It could still move on to the VWAP again. You know what I mean? Can. But the fact that it closed below kind of helps my odds out a little bit. It closed below the line. So let us sit back and relax and watch. I'm just commentating right now. We're getting a push right now to this level here. So we're going to need to take one out, following our rule, of course. Here we go. We're going to go ahead now, take one out of Tesla. We're following our plan. What are we doing? This is a level. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Let's take it. Let's take it. Let's take it. Let's take it. Let us go home and enjoy it. All right. I went ahead and ideally I would like to just have one, you know what I mean? One out. It's fine though. I just needed to follow that rule of, selling here. And I think the next push down for Tesla is the next likely, bounce off. It's probably going to be here. Could have held it that one after I took one out. Could have held it through all the way. Sure. But because I got out, it's fine. I need to do better today with regards to the decisions that I'm making. I'm a little quick. So I need to cool down a little bit. But outside of that, we're doing very, very well. We're doing very, very well. That's it. Beautiful push down. You guys saw that? Had I taken that one out and just leave the other one alone, ideally that's what I wanted to do. But I decided to take both out, and that's fine. I respect that decision. Here we go. Let us now go to SPY. We have just one contract in place. Right now we have an opening below the VWAP here on the 10-minute. So SPY might push below here. Oh wow, we also got it below the VWAP too. So let's take one more contract in for SPY for a put. Pretty risky though, by the way. Just want to let y'all know that. Very risky. We're gonna have a tight stop loss though, as a result of that. We had a 10-minute close red. That's awesome. But again, we're just simply trading this zone. So ain't nothing to celebrate right now for what's it called? For SPY right now. Not to celebrate on your put side, because once you crack this level, then we can a little bit celebrate. You know what I mean? All right, here we go. So anything above this zone, this will be a stop loss essentially. Really. What a crazy trade we're having today. All right. I like that we have the 10-minute here showing straight, push down all the way here on the bottom to this where it closed. So that's a sign that we can potentially crack this here level. But again, bruh, SPY is bullish. Keep that in mind. SPY is bullish. Right? SPY is bullish. It's trading this zone. No need to be going puts on this zone. That's why I just added just one and had a tight stop loss here after I had my original put here. So we're fine on that. We're gonna just hold this stop loss here. Very tight one. And then that's it. We sit back, relax right now with SPY. Do you think we're gonna crack this level? That's what I want to see with SPY right now. But I can't fight that market, and I cannot fall in love with that potential that could happen. I want to add more. Nope. I respect that. You know what? SPY is bullish right now. That's it. I'm grateful that I got in my put right here because I plan on that, because I understood this is a major zone. But also understand that this here and here is a channel. It's a channel. It's too early for any puts right now. Too early. Okay, while we wait, take a look at Tesla, how it bounced up. Look at Tesla right now. It bounced up. So I'm glad we sold it. You know what I'm saying? After we cracked. Where did we even crack now? I don't remember. Yeah, I think it was right here or something like that. Yeah, it was this one, wasn't it? Was this candle that we cracked? Yeah, and it's getting a bounce up right now. So we could certainly take another put here. Because he had a second bounce, I'd rather just wait. Maybe like place a put like right here or something, or even like right here. Wow, what a bounce up that has happened right now. We're also taking some of our gains back. Oh, opening above the VWAP. Okay, we gotta watch our SPY right now. Market shifting. Here we go. Tesla's expected to be SPY is expected to be a call anyway. So here we go. We're gonna wow. Open a 10-minute above here. We have a 10-minute open above here, guys. We got a 10-minute open above here. Here we go. This is our stop loss. for SPY. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Tesla's no longer a put. I repeat. This is SPY right now. We're just watching because Tesla had a sudden bounce off. Now we gotta watch SPY because we're in a pretty good amount. 2 contracts here. That's my normal. 3 and above is oversizing. Actually, for SPY, it's like 3 to 4. It's like, where I'm fine. But for Tesla, bruh, more than 2 is crazy. It's probably because of the premium. All right, here we go. Right now, here we go. Let us sit back and relax. All right. All right, here we go. All right, cool. We got some level of cooldown. Again, gotta be careful here. SPY still bullish because we're in this zone right here. All right, I'm not fighting the market. I understood it. That's why I put my stop loss right there. Tesla had a sudden bounce off. I don't know what that was about, but they had a sudden bounce off. We scored our money here to here. We did our thing. Now it's trading above the VWAP. All right, here we go. It could be a move up. Right now it's having a struggle. This zone right here between this line and this gold line. It's kind of where it's having a struggle. But here we go. SPY is doing very well. It must have cracked our level. Oh, look at that. It came to our first level. So here we go. Let's go ahead and get one out. Following our rule. That's it. Follow your plan. Follow your trading plan. Nice crack. Let's go. We got a crack on this level we've been waiting for. It could just be a little dip down to get like liquidity, and then could be too, because we understand what's going on in the market. Let us not celebrate too soon. All right. I went ahead and took one out because I respect that this is a level that I needed to take money. So now what we're gonna do is this. We're gonna go ahead and bring our stop loss closer. All right. Don't fight the market, bruh. Market don't know you. Just be friend with the market. That's it. And then he'll be friend with you. Market just wants to be understood. All right. Be that person that understands the market. Best you can. Based on following your rules. You know what I'm saying? Ideally following your rules. And then through that, following your rules, a market will correct you and say, hey, this is what was my intention. Why did you go over there? And then you learn. Journal that. You see that? What did I say? We could just have a potential bounce up. Showing up every day teaches you this. I showed up every single day for the past years to understand, whenever it comes to a level, it's not going to really go down like that, especially when it was just holding slowly. You could just kind of go down and get some liquidity, you know what I mean? Get the stop loss out of the way and then move up. It could be. So we understood that. We took one out. Now we're going to wait if it's going to pass below, or if we're wrong, if he wants to do that little thing where he wants to bounce, shoot up, we'll respect that too. That's what we have. We closed in our stop loss. That's it. Look at that. Beautiful bounce up already. All right. But we're not getting out of this trade L. That's it. We made our agreement on that. We're not getting out of this trade L. Market can do whatever you want. This is actually our last trade. So I'm going to just sit back, relax. All right. If you have any question right now, how I traded, what I could do better, or what your thoughts are, go ahead, bro. Put in the comment. I want to see what's up. What do you think I should do with this one contract? I see we got 3 people live right now. What's up? I'm going to wait for your text. Do you think we're going to crack this level? One of the things that I did notice today in the way how the price is moving, today's a slow day. I'm behind it. SPY moving slow today. And that's how we're not going to fight it. We're going to allow it to do its pace. I remember I had this experience before, and he was doing a slow day, and I thought I was doing something wrong, so I decided to add more into my contract. I was like, why would you do that? And so I learned that lesson, and here I am today implementing that, right? We have a beautiful opening well below the VWAP right now. I repeat, below the VWAP on the 5-minute. That's a good sign. It's a good sign we could potentially keep moving downward, all right? That's a good sign. I like that. Let me just go ahead and shoot a text to a friend real quick. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. That bounce potentially. 10 minutes still showing a wick. Can we get a crack? Should we take this $15 and call it? We certainly can. We certainly can. You know what I mean? But we're gonna leave it though. We're gonna leave it because it could bounce up, like I said earlier. Certainly could. Certainly could. But yeah, we're gonna leave this. We're gonna just take this $50 and call it a day if it goes to our stop loss. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to move it down too. Just because why not? I'll move it right here in the 10-minute here. See if it's gonna crack above this zone, this 5-minute wick. Curious. $20 right now. We're up. We could totally take this $71. We're chilling at this point. We followed our rule to the T. Now we sit back, we relax, allow this to do its thing, right? We know our rule. We know our rule. Okay, what did we say? We expected this potential bounce off to happen, and that's all right. If it does, we're gonna get out. We expected this because remember, it's bullish. It's bullish, and this is a what? A channel that it was in. We looked at it, and when we were doing our mapping. That's one of the reasons you want to plan ahead before you trade the market. I'm glad that we're getting a crack now. I expect it to be a bounce. I'm glad that we're getting a crack now. That's for that reason we're being cautious. You know what I mean? Let's go. Let's go, guys. There's no wick right now on the 10-minute. Let's go. This is money, right? This is at this point funny money to us. That's it. That's it. This is funny money to us. That's it. That's it. That's it. Here we go. We sit back, we relax. All right. Once we get enough of a crack here, I might just call it. I might just call it, guys. What do you guys think? Should I just call it right now? Take the funny money and call it? Or do you think we're leaving too much money on the table? Ooh, let's go. Come on, brother. Let's go. What a crack right here. There's no more wick right now. We could be going all the way down here. You know what I'm saying? We really could be. Yeah, you know what, bruv? I'm going to just go ahead and enjoy the money. I'm going to just take it. I know it's a slow day today. It's fine. I only have one contract in place. We're going to go ahead and take it and put this money into our W. We've been having W's throughout this whole week because we understand supply and demand. That's it. That's it. So how do you guys think I did today with today's trading? Let me know what your thoughts are for those who've been with me throughout the opening of the market. How do you guys think I did? All right. Shout out in the and for those who are watching after the live, please go ahead and put a comment below on how I did. I'd love to know. We're all out here, traders. You know what I mean? We're in the world of thinking probability, so we're all new to this world. So if you guys can give me some advice, can give each other advice. If you find this video beneficial, you took something, bro, take that. All right. So appreciate you all for joining the channel. All right. HRT out. See you all tomorrow. All right. Same time.